Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern, and this is a clockwise and reverse rectangle triangle pattern, and in this pattern we used nested for loop to create this pattern. And nested for loop is a loop in which outside for loop inside another loop, that is called nested for loop. So firstly we declare two variables that are used for nested for loop. So we declare two variables I and j, and I variable is used for outer for loop and j variable is used for inner for loop. And firstly we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we take three parameters in outer for loop. Firstly we initialize I variable, I equals to 5, and check condition if I greater than equals to 1, and I decrement to 1. And inside this outer for loop we create another loop that is called inner for loop, and in this we also take three parameters. Firstly we initialize j equals to 1 and check condition if j less than equals to I, and j increment to 1. And inside this inner for loop we print the inner loop variable, that is j, because this is a column wise pattern. When we have a column wise pattern, then always we print the inner for loop variable, that is j. And outside this inner for loop we used backslash n for cursor to the next line. When completing each row, cursor will move to the next line. So we have outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we take three parameters: I equals to 5, and I greater than equals to 1, and I decrement to 1. So I hope you understand. When this program, the accurate output is shown as below. So I hope you understand. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thank you for watching. If you have any concern related to this, you can ask me anytime. Have a great day, and I hope you are doing well. So I hope you enjoyed our series of pattern programming from scratch. Thank you.